it's your girl Andy. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am currently filming and driving with no hands on the wheel. I'm on my way to the airport. I am going to Miami today. I'm going on a little weekend trip. It is the Super Bowl weekend, so I'll be there on Sunday for the Super Bowl, and on Saturday there's going to be an Auvoria Prime Forex event. Some of y'all might have heard of Auvoria Prime. Jeremy Cash works with Auvoria Prime, so like the Pipology Black Squad, it's that kind of stuff. It's like AI trading tools, so that's what we're going to be doing this weekend. I'm going to take you guys along, show you what a Forex trip is like, because they are the best trips to take. Anytime you can take like a networking or event type of trip, it is so much fun. You're around people with the same vibe, same energy. Ooh, it's gonna be popping. Okay, we might have a little yacht action, I don't know. We got a little Tesla, I don't know. But I'll see you guys on the other side.
NY Factory.
Story about a little guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue, like him inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. He ain't got nobody, so this is I'm blue, I'll be die.
You ever had straight on and off? You filming this video? There's a new area to explore.
Welcome to the
Hey, we're over there. We're in that I'm about to say, who knows? You're using the trending feature. Yep.
If it's trending, it's with a gold line.
What's up, leaders? Okay, we touched down in Miami. I am in my room. Woo, y'all will meet my roommate a little later. It's like 10, 9 o'clock, something like that. It's going, okay? Let's go say hi. All right, y'all, we got Los here in the building. Y'all might know him from Jeremy Cash's YouTube videos. He's with the Pipology Black Squad, right? What's that like?
Man. So what's up? Loso Sanders on Facebook and IG, man. Look, Pipology Black Squad. Everything we're doing right now is in the mindset of the people and for the culture. If you are not watching and seeing what's going on with the growth in the Forex arena, then you're sleeping, man. Do not sit here and watch this vlog. Do not sit here and watch us continue to soar to the top without jumping in. The reason I'm saying jumping in is because we made it dummy proof. We got 10-year-olds doing this right now. If you can follow some colors and stay within the coloring lines, bounce, arrow, go. That's all you gotta worry about.
Thanks.
Easy, man.
All right. Yes, we are going over all the AI products for Auvoria Prime right now. So it really is like dummy-proof trading. Okay, your computer sends you signals. So super fun.
Easy, man.
Yeah.
Easy.
Auvoria Prime event. Let's go.
This thing is rapidly expanding all across the world because people are seeing real results, real success, and you don't grow like that without people getting real results. We also are going to give you an extra edge. This is our chief market analyst. His name is Steven Vetterell. He is licensed in every capacity for what he's teaching us. So he has Series 6 and 7 and different things like that. But he is a licensed financial advisor over 18 years, managing different Forex portfolios. He delivers weekly market analysis on the market. So you're going to actually get to benefit from somebody who is trading live funds, right? You know, working in the hedge fund space, and he's going to tell you his view on the market every single week. If he thinks it's going to be a super volatile week and you should be more conservative in your trading, or if it looks like a pretty standard normal week and you can be a little more advanced in your strategies, whether being more moderate, aggressive, or more hands-on, whatever it is for you. And again, each software also comes with its own live weekly call every single week, hosted by that developer.
You guys, this is Tyler McKinney. He is awesome. He's the one you guys just saw talking. He's the creator of Gearbox, which is one of the robot settings that Auvoria Prime offers. Right now you can just see him like tuning in somebody's settings, super down to earth. Hey.
Ready?
It's going to be really exciting.
All right.
Big thing I've been working on is that.
Okay, so
Yeah.
living on a dream. Everybody want to come and run in between. Now I'm gonna go up in Miami because now everybody want to come and get a Grammy because now I'm on the road. Because on the road, everybody want to come and now I got control. Living in my life because now I say in my lane. Want to come around because now it's not the game. How about you know they do it because I got that 4X because now I got more X. Now you want to come around because now because I hit the ground. Want to hit the ground running. Everybody want to come around fronting.
So if you have that thing, you have to keep going at it. And if you don't have the thing, that's fine. It's okay to not have the thing. But you have to go and experience different shit to find what that is. Like you played a lot of basketball growing up, right? Basketball is how you express yourself. And then eventually at some point, you didn't make the NBA, or you didn't, you had to change.
D1,
Yeah, didn't make it. And then you found something else. And then you found entrepreneurship, you found coaching, you found trading, you found speaking. So
A couple things in between. But
yeah. Some cool things in between. But then you find the other stuff. And the only time people fail is when they stop looking for the other things to express themselves. And if you just keep looking, you're gonna find it. Yeah. And then you just dive all that positive energy into it and you stay excited about it. But if the excitement goes away, you stop feeling excited about dance, like you get to a point where consistently dance doesn't excite you anymore and doesn't light you up, stop it. Don't do it. Do something different. And you follow that. And as long as you follow the excitement, the world literally, universe, whatever you want to call it, will literally, like the universe literally changes its environment around, and the world will position people into your life you are meant to meet to change your circumstances you otherwise would never have met if you weren't in that state.
I gotta talk about this point real quick. This is not a bring your friend and then bring your other friend and bring that friend's friend and all your more market friends to come hear about this presentation on how to do what? Bring more friends of friends of friends, and your mama and them and their brothers and them is friends. This is not that. And what I mean by that is y'all, I'm not bashing other companies, I'm not doing any of that. I never wanted to do MLM, ever. Because I didn't want to be that one all the ways in the family saying, oh, here come Los again with this new thing. You know, now he's selling Tupperware and then he got cups. You know, one time I was selling like plastic water bottles that were empty with grass in them, and it's like, yo, it's duplicatable. Like, no, you can't, right? So I didn't want to be that person, but I was like, yo, I want to see something with a structure in it that has a product that's working better than the actual recruitment side of it. I wanted to see something that had retention, where I know for a fact this young man that's 17 years of age can actually make money, and his parents are gonna be calling me saying, you scammed my son. And his dad worked out. Did y'all see him? Like, he was like, I don't want no problem, big fella. So y'all have to understand, man, this is not that company. This company is based off of things that are working right now. This company is based off of products that are changing people's lives every single day.
You ready, Mrs. Ola?
I am ready. I was gonna tell Sam if we leave.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't know where it is though. Hold on. I'm just trying to film a little for the tube. Look at, wait, come look. It's cute. Come look at all our expensive cars on the foyer. Cool. Adam with his little iPhone.
The videographer setup.
Videographer.
Something like that.
In my pocket type thing.
In my pocket.
Oh, look at that tree. That's kind of cool. Okay.
Turning the car on the phone, you know, like as we know it.
What?
Is it turning the car on the phone like as we know it?
Everything with the phone.
Trade, win, grow.
Movie? Hey.
We're gonna go get food. You want some food?
Huh? You're gonna go get some food? Yeah. We got 58 miles left on that bitch. We're good?
Oh yeah, we have to charge.
What's goody? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm having a good time. Look at this set we got. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, you got the charge cookie.
I didn't have a shirt for it either.
What are you looking at?
GJ.
G's. Lots of G's.
Yep.
That's cool.
I'm trying to
All my Great British
figure
Pound
out
pairs.
Heat for real, y'all don't understand. I never seen so many Dominican women with cinnamon tans. Me and
Real
quick.
Monthly income is like $500. Like the annual income is like 600, 700, and like that's just on. I know the withdrawal hits different. Withdrawal hits different.
That cash money out of the ATM hits different.
The withdrawal makes it real.
100%. It turns it into a tangible thing that you could actually hold.
Right.
You know, you see numbers on a screen, you don't understand the importance and the value.
Right.
But when you go to that ATM and you pull out cash money, or you actually transfer that to your Bitcoin wallet, you actually see an actual account grow. That you did all your hard work in Forex, man. There's no taking that away. Absolutely incredible feeling.
The fact that, you know, even if I had $50, I could do something with it. Right. That's amazing, because even like your first $1 to $5 you make it. That's a great feeling. $7 was the first trade I ever closed in profit. Once I saw $7, I knew that $7 could be any amount. Absolutely any amount. That's when it became real.
So I was just actually just about to ask you guys that. What is it that when it became real to you? Like when you had that moment of, okay, like was it your first withdrawal? Was it like your first $100 day, your first $1,000 day? Like when did you know, like, all right, this is the path I'm going to take and I'm going to run with it?
Well, I can say for me, it was not even about the money when I made the money. The fact that I already knew.
Potential chance. Yeah, we got a big potential chance to hit the EMA at least.
Scalping Bitcoin after the Avon news.
Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We just broke the fucking resistance. We just did like 160 in about 5 minutes right now. Scalping Bitcoin on sales. Let's go. Pump, pump, pump.
Alright, y'all, it is the last day of my Miami trip. Okay, I'm on the balcony up here. It has been an amazing trip. I'll kind of show y'all. Everybody's down there trading. But yeah, the trip has been amazing. It is Sunday night. I'm gonna fly out in the morning. We watched the Super Bowl together. We did a lot of fun things today. We met lots of really awesome, influential people. That's why I love Forex events. This was the Auvoria Prime marketing event. They do AI assisted trading systems, so it's pretty cool to see them in action. I have used them before, so I was excited to come out here and really get to know them more deeply, you know, really see the ins and outs of their company and get to learn them on a personal level. So it's really exciting. I might have some fun stuff coming up with them in the future. But for now, I'm just going to give y'all a last show. I don't know if I filmed the mansion on my camera or if I just did it on my phone. If so, it's on my IG anyway, so you can follow me at AndyZona, and you can watch the IG video of the whole mansion. I did the whole thing, so it's pretty huge. This has been a beautiful place. I didn't take a lot of Instagram pictures because I just didn't really feel like it, I guess. I probably should. I should be better at that, but It's been super awesome. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw everything firsthand. But let me just show y'all what is going on inside. It is craziness.
We trade, win, grow YouTube. Trade, win, grow. Yeah.
Look at Are you mannequin?
Yes. Yo, hit it. My on-stage name is Lucky Charms because I'm magically delicious.
Well,
Oh, we can race right now, bro. Hold up. I'll race and then I'll come back in here and do some magic money.
All right, let's see it. We're about to race.
Good morning, guys.
okay.
We have to be out of here by 10 o'clock.
All right, we're about to race.
Oh.
All right, let's go. Let's race. Let's get it. Man, I used to break that back in the day.
What's up?
Oh, man.
Bro, we're not gonna be able to see you.
It doesn't matter. I won't be able to see Kevin Hart, but I'll probably see.
Yeah, no, definitely not Kevin Hart.
Run it up, boys. Runners.
Look like Jesus.
Take your mark.
All right.
Ready?
2, 1, go.
Oh, Kevin, man, if you see Kevin Hart's workout videos on YouTube, oh man, it sounds
Oh,
like
I
that.
have seen that.
Yeah, it reminds me of this right now.
That's funny.
3,
There's just a little.
2, 1, go.
Oh, he beat me.
Yeah, this guy's quick. Who's next?
That's just for.